What's going on YouTube? So today's video we do have the new FIFINE AM6 microphone. This is a brand new microphone that just dropped from FIFINE. A lot of people haven't been taking a look at it, but we're going to go through everything available within this microphone, the innovations that this actually has, as well as the similarities between some headset like this and this brand new microphone. Really quick, let's go over the unboxing. So it's very well packaged. Obviously the package will get better over time. This was a pre-release unit at the time when I got it, but now we do have pretty much everything that's included. USB-C to C with a dongle adapter as well. This is boom arm mountable, but it also does come with a stand just to get you started, similar to the AM8 and also the FIFINE AmpliGame. So it's good that FIFINE is actually able to include the stands with their microphones if necessary, if you don't have a boom arm yet. The same volume knob that you can change the game and the party chat is probably taken from the Xbox headset. So it's good for the people that need those types of features within PC to be able to change the volume and all that on the fly, just like that on the microphone itself, which is really cool. You can see the RGB on it. It glows on the bottom as well as on the top. You can keep it in solid mode or different dynamic modes if you want to as well. There's also a noise cancellation feature, which we will get into as well. But this one, you do have to be very close to it, I would say. Obviously, the closer you are, it'd be probably better. But it's also good enough to be far away, because I'm talking right now far away, and it's actually pretty good. If we raise it up about more than halfway, yeah, that's what I would recommend. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump into a game here. So right now we are in Fortnite Battle Royale. Let's just go ahead and hop into a game. We're also going to be doing a noise test here. We have a portable AC. I'm going to be doing a review on this very soon, so stay tuned for it. This is a $300 portable AC. Bro, literally all of them left. Solo squatting now, I guess. That's how it goes every time you play filled squads. Alright, this is a good time to start with the noise cancellation test for the microphone here. Let's go ahead and put on the AC. And we're going to put it at 100%. So it's at 60%, 100%. So this is what it sounds like without noise cancellation with the AC on. We're going to turn on noise cancellation now. Let's see, hopefully it does a pretty good job. I'm going to leave it on here for about a minute just to see if it's good. If I'm not talking at all, whether it's picking up anything at all, I guess we'll find out as well. Right now, the AC, by the way, I'll give you some little background information on it. It's basically cooling strips. It's good for summer. My room doesn't have AC, so it just gets extremely hot in here, hotter than the outside, because it's just like a baked oven, basically. So something like this actually is necessary for my room, especially since I have so much tech, so much electronics and everything to make it even hot, make it hotter. It's a necessity in my opinion, but for $300 it's kind of crazy. Not a lot of people would buy it because it's 300 bucks. In my opinion, I wouldn't even keep it, probably just only for summer, but I'm gonna return it at the end of the month anyways, so just an FYI. I'm just yapping at this point. Man, this has like really good bloom. That's crazy. It actually has really good bloom. That's crazy. It's like aimbot. And it's weird because it's like I'm used to playing at lower input delay and lower drop frames and 60 FPS. It just feels weird. Okay, there is a real team coming in. Well, this one right here isn't real. We'll turn on the air purifier just to push it to the limit. We're going to go in the third setting as well. So now there is 2 fans and 2 ACs, 2 noise going on in the background with this. So if it's doing pretty good, then, you know, this is the judge for that. I'm going to turn it off and show you what it sounds like without any noise cancellation. Alright, so this is what it sounds like when you don't have any noise cancellation for the ANC or ENC, what you like to call it. This is what it sounds like. This is what you can expect without anything. In my opinion, it's better for the vocals, but worse for the audio in general. It's just a bot lobby. I don't know why they left or how they died. It's literally only bots. How did they die to these? Alright, now we're on ANC. So ENC, ANC, whatever you like to call it. We're on that right now. So hopefully this sounds better. Looks like they are pretty much separated. One's over here and one's... Oh, there we are. Let's shoot our tires, sir. Oh, they're trying to find me right now. I know. They're not real, but still. Add to my collection. This one's real. Oh, no, it's not real. I lied. I don't even know who shot me and how they sniped me, but that's just crazy. Should we do a chat? Let's do it. Let's get it. How did I die? Did I not just use the... What the world? Okay, whatever. Well, solo squad, we got a victory. Let's go. So keep in mind, we had the air purifier on for that test throughout the entire video, basically. And then we also did have this AC on as well. So that was just a little intense game for, you know, the sweats out there. But without further ado, guys, if you want to check out this microphone, I'll leave a link in the description down below for it. Right now, at the time of recording, it is $55, but it will drop in price over time once they're able to manufacture and get components a lot cheaper. FIFINE obviously makes the best microphones known to man. We've been through that, but Moano is starting to step up your game. You can see the little microphone box right there, and I'll show you guys that by Saturday. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.